Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to install OpenJDK 17 on Windows 11 with the Java underscore home environment variable. So here you can see that I have already downloaded OpenJDK 17 for Windows as a zip file. So I am going to extract the OpenJDK 17 contents to one directory. So this is the location where I am going to extract OpenJDK 17. So OpenJDK 17 extracted successfully. I am renaming the directory accordingly to my convenience. So this is the directory structure of OpenJDK 17, and these are all the executable and DLL files required by OpenJDK 17. And this is a jmods directory which contains a lot of Java modules. And this is the lib directory of OpenJDK 17. So now I am going to copy this path. Next step is I am going to create the environment variable. So this PC, right click this PC, properties, advanced system settings, environment variables. So environment variables, you can see two types of variables are there: user variables and system variables. So under system variables, I am going to set the Java underscore home environment variable so that OpenJDK 17 will be available to all the users whoever log in into this Windows 11 machine. So I am pointing the JDK 17's directory. Next I am appending the OpenJDK 17's bin directory to Windows path variable, so that all the OpenJDK 17 commands will be available in the command prompt. Okay, everything is set. We are good now. Let me open the command prompt and test some commands. So now type java version. Yes. So you can see that I can able to run the OpenJDK 17 commands in command prompt successfully, which shows that OpenJDK 17 is installed successfully on Windows 11 operating system. Make sure that you have correctly set the environment variable and point correct directory to Windows path variable.